Ethereal Gull.
It's 2 a.m. all alone, just sitting here waiting by the telephone. Cigarettes relieve the stress, cup of Jack, I'm you know all the fucking facts. I can't stay, I need to say what's on my mind. We fuss and fight, yeah, all night. This is insane. No more games, but no one's calling. Fly to New Orleans, I'm tired of stalling. Need to be performing. I don't care if you don't want it. No more warnings. I can't pretend this is the end. This is the last time that I say goodbye, that I make you cry, that I say you're. This is the last time. Won't apologize, won't apologize, won't apologize. This is the last time. Dressed to kill, in the pill. I wanna take another, but I never will. Repeat again, wash my hands of all the dirt and brush and you burn them. I can't stay, I need to say what's on my mind, what's on my mind. We fuss and fight, yeah, all night. This is insane. No more games, but no one's calling. Fly to New Orleans, I'm tired of stalling. Need to be performing. I don't care if you don't want it. No more warnings. I can't pretend this is the end. This is the last time that I say goodbye, that I make you cry, that I say you're mine. This is the last time. Won't apologize, won't apologize, won't apologize.
This is the last time, hard to pretend. Two can play the game, but nobody gon' win. It's me versus you, and it's you versus me. So tell me, baby, what's it gon' be? Sorry for the times that I ever hurt you. Sometimes it felt like I just ain't deserved you. Tired of running around, we break up, you leave. You come around and you call like I did. This is the last time I said this before. We can't go on, can't do this anymore. You asking my serious? Yeah, I'm not feeling this. I'm getting sick of this whiskey, I'm sipping it. This is the last time. I don't wanna do it no more. I don't wanna do it no more. Got a few shots that I still need to pour.
No one's calling. Fly to New Orleans, I'm tired of stalling. Need to be performing. I don't care if you don't want it. No more warnings. I can't pretend this is the end. This is the last time that I say goodbye, that I make you cry, that I say you're mine. This is the last time. Won't apologize, won't apologize, won't apologize. This is the last time.
Ethereal Gull. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.